guys, welcome back to another amazing video. So in today's video we'll be making the no glue slime. So let's start. So first we need a small cup. This is small enough, I guess. Wait, let me just wash this because that'll be safer. Okay, I just washed it. Now I should wipe it up. Okay, so I don't believe this is gonna work. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna be really mad because I wasted all this. So first, to make it, you need shampoo. I'm using Daily Dense shampoo. It's not sponsored, sorry. Okay, so first get a little bit of that. Just a little bit. Not that much, but I should get a spoon real quick. So unfortunately there isn't a spoon, so I am using this plastic fork. Well, okay, I'll mix it around soon. Now first, then get some of this dish soap. I know there's a lot of soapy stuff happening. I know it's not funny, but I got some of that. Now I'm gonna pour it in 3, 2, 1. Pour a little bit in. You can't tell me that doesn't look cool. I know it's pink, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. A little bit more, just in case. Okay, then let's mix. Whoa, this looks so cool. I know it kind of looks disgusting, but in real life it looks cool. So after we're done mixing, then get some sugar. And also guys, comment down below if brown sugar doesn't work, but that's the only sugar I have right now. So open brown sugar open, then get some of this out, then put it in a little bit more because there's a lot. 1 more scoop just to be safe. I know it's gonna ruin like the color and stuff, but that's the only thing I have. So I'll add a little bit more dish soap just to be safe. Okay, now mix. Wait, it's actually starting to form. It kind of looks like slime right now. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be really mad. That's kind of cool, I guess. Let's just mix. Mix. Then, after you're done that, then, now we're done with that. Now, take this guy. Put him on the chair. Then, go to the fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here because I cannot put it in with one hand. So I'll keep you updated and wait for part 2. I'll post it after some time, so I know. So in the next video, we'll be reviewing the Playmates Godzilla. So stay tuned. Bye.